Are you ready for a game changer in the lightweight sports bike world? Honda is back with a machine that's sharper, faster, and more thrilling than ever. The 2026 Honda CBR250R is here, and trust me, it's turning heads even before hitting the streets. Welcome to Agha Automotive, your ultimate source for the latest bike reviews. Let's dive into everything you need to know about Honda's newest quarter-litre legend. The CBR250R has always been a dream starter bike for sport bike lovers. Affordable, reliable, and dripping with Honda DNA, it became the go-to bike for beginners and enthusiasts alike. But after years of silence, Honda decided it's time to bring back the icon. And the 2026 version isn't just a refresh, it's a full rebirth. First things first, the design. The 2026 CBR250R takes heavy inspiration from the legendary CBR600RR. You'll notice sharp LED headlights, aggressive aerodynamic lines, and a muscular fuel tank that screams super sport. The tail section is sleek, the fairings are tight, and Honda has blended sportiness with a futuristic aesthetic. This bike doesn't just look fast, it feels fast, even standing still. Under the hood, Honda packed a brand new 249 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. But it's more than just numbers. Dual overhead cams, improved fuel injection, and reduced internal friction make this engine incredibly smooth and punchy. While official power numbers aren't out yet, insiders suggest around 30 horsepower and 24 Newton-meters of torque. Perfect for city rides, highway blasts, and track fun. The 6-speed gearbox now includes a slipper clutch for smooth downshifts and less wheel hop. Honda may even offer a quick shifter option, making this bike even more exciting for advanced riders. Handling is where this bike truly shines. The 2026 CBR250R features upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock tuned for both comfort and cornering stability. The frame is lighter yet stiffer, reducing weight by about 5 kilograms compared to the previous model. Add sticky radial tires on 17-inch alloy wheels, and you have precision handling that's beginner-friendly but fun for pros too. Stopping power comes from a 296mm front disc and 220mm rear disc, both equipped with dual-channel ABS. Expect sharper bite, better feedback, and full confidence on city streets or twisty roads. Safety without compromise, just the way Honda likes it. Honda has finally stepped into the tech era. The TFT digital display shows gear position, fuel efficiency, and even connects with your smartphone through the Honda Road Sync app. Take calls, control music, or navigate, all from the handlebars. Clip-on handlebars are slightly lower for a sportier riding stance, while the seat remains comfortable at around 780mm. The exhaust note? Deep, refined, and unmistakably Honda. This isn't just a commuter bike with sporty looks. It's a real quarter-litre sports beast designed to thrill. Honda will offer multiple colors, including classic red-white racing livery, matte black, and a special pearl blue edition. Pricing hasn't been officially revealed yet, but rumors suggest it will sit below KTM RC 200 and slightly above Yamaha R15, giving riders the perfect mix of value and performance. So, is the 2026 Honda CBR250R worth the hype? Absolutely. With modern power, refined design, everyday usability, and Honda reliability, this bike is ready to reclaim its crown in the lightweight sports segment. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more bike updates, and comment below. Would you pick the CBR250R over the Yamaha R15 or KTM RC 200? Let the debate begin.